Hello guys, today I'm going to Kodaikanal. I'm almost there. I'm just ascending the Kodaikanal hill from Palani side. It's been a pretty tiring ride from Bangalore to Palani. Initially it was good, the heat was bearable, but then after 10-11 a.m. it started being a very harsh, and I'm really struggled. And now the weather is okay. Now it's I think almost 4 p.m. So the sun is going down and the heat is getting better. This is my bike. This is my clothes and stuff, luggage, and this is more like you know quick items like water bottle, chargers, power banks and everything. Okay, see you later. Hello guys, so I'm halfway through Kodaikanal. I'm still climbing the mountain. The twisties are super good. I thoroughly enjoyed the twisties, and I hope I will get more of the twisties. I hear some wind cylinder bike coming. Let's see which one is it. It's a So I stopped here just to have some breath. I'm really tired riding in the sun, and I thought I'll just take a quick break. Oh, my camera doesn't fall. So I stopped here to have some tea. So this is the final destination. And I'm staying in this place called Hostel. Not Hostel. Hostel? Yeah. Bison spotting.